Hi class, this is course 3, lesson 48, percent of a whole. We're just going to do this one problem today. Make sure you have it written in your notes. 30% of the students ride the bus. If 210 students do not ride the bus, how many students are there in all? Okay, one tool to solve is 3-row ratio table. So you're going to put a column that is for percent and a column that is for count or actual, and we need to put row identifiers. So we have students that are on the bus, so we have students that ride the bus, we have students that do not ride the bus, and we have a total. Okay, now we need to fill in our ratio table. 30% of the students ride the bus. So I know 30% ride the bus. That goes in the ride the bus in the percent column, 30. If 210 students do not ride the bus, now it didn't tell us anything about percent, so I know those are actual counted students. And there are 210 that do not ride the bus. That goes in the do not ride the bus row in the count column. How many students are there in all? They don't ask us to find how many ride the bus. They want us to find how many are there in all. So that's where I'm going to put my variable. Now again, remember that when we're using a ratio table, we can make a proportion. But we need some more numbers, right? We don't have anything across from total. We don't. It looks like it's a blank table. There are things we can fill in, because percent total will always be 100. Okay. So we can do some subtraction. This would be 100 minus 30, which we know as 70. So these two need to always add up to 100. I know it was 30, so this one has to be 70, and our total is 100. Now, since I have two complete rows filled in right here, I can use those to write my proportion. 70 out of 100 equals 210 out of x. And I can do cross products and then simplify, or you can simplify first, or you can look to see what you can multiply. A lot of different ways that you can solve this problem. Just so that, and I'm not going to require you do one way or the other, but just so we can see that cross products are equal, I will do that way. I will take 70x is equal to the product of 210 times 100, so 70x equals 21000, 21,000, and then I will divide both sides by 70, and I will get x equals 300. Okay, if you did that up, well, that's not right. Interesting. Well, help me find my error, because, oh yeah, there's 300 people. Sorry. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. I got confused. I was looking up here. I was like, okay, that's times 3. And then I didn't go down here and say that's times 3. So I got tied up. It happens. Now you know that was reasonable. And some of the other thoughts that were going through my head were that x is 300. 300 is my total. My total should be more than the amount of students that do not ride the bus. So that seemed right. I just was stumped at why that didn't look right. I hope I didn't confuse you in the process, but this is what you're going to do today, and you will know different percents or different actual counts, and you'll have to set the ratio table up correctly to do the problems. I don't anticipate many issues, but if you have some, definitely let me know I'll be more than happy to give you a hand. And with that, I'll see you in class.